I love a good wrap. And what I've learned is that they are so easy to make. Unlike some restaurant versions, making your own at home can be much better for your health and your budget. So with that being said, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Thai beef cabbage wraps. The ingredients needed are 1 pound of ribeye or sirloin steak. Today I'm using ribeye, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, thinly sliced red onion, 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce, 8 Napa cabbage leaves, 1 cup of cooked brown rice warm, 1 green onion, 1 chopped cucumber, and 1/2 cup of matchstick carrots for the toppings. So to get started, season your steak with salt and pepper, heat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add your oil and cook the steak for about 8 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 135. Turning once in between, transfer to a cutting board and cover loosely with foil. Let it sit for about 10 minutes because the steak will continue to cook off the skillet. You'll want it to reach about 145 degrees. Next, add the red onion and cook for about 3 minutes or so they can soften and soak up all the drippings from the skillet. Let me show you how simple the sauce is. In a bowl, stir the hoisin sauce, the sweet chili sauce, and the water together. That's it. Now let's put everything together. Thinly slice the steak against the grain. Take the cabbage leaves and top with the rice first, then our juicy tender steak, and some red onion and green onion. They make everything better. Then your cucumber and the carrots. Finish off with the sauce. If you want to pump these up, you can add a little bit of peanut butter to your sauce to enhance that Thai flavor. Also, sprinkle with dry roasted peanuts or cashews and fresh cilantro sprigs for garnish. I hope you'll enjoy these as much as I do. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.